Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to buy BYD stock on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be using the IBKR mobile app. First, open the IBKR mobile app on your phone. You'll see either the login screen or your account dashboard if you're already logged in. Once you're in, tap the magnifying glass icon to open the search function. You'll see a search bar appear at the top of the screen. In the search bar, type 1211 or 1211.hk. This is BYD's ticker symbol. The search results will display showing BYD Company Limited. Now tap on the BYD Company Limited listing that shows 1211.hk from the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Look for a label that says SEHK or 1211.hk. You want the Hong Kong Exchange, not the Italian or Mexican versions that might appear in the results. The stock detail page will load showing the current price, charts, and your available balance. This tells you how much buying power you have ready to spend. Tap the blue buy button to open the order screen. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase in the quantity field. The screen will show you the total amount required based on your quantity. Next, select your order type. You'll see options for market or limit. A market order buys immediately at the current price. A limit order only buys if the price hits your specified maximum. For Hong Kong stocks, I recommend using a limit order with the price set a few cents above the current price. This virtually guarantees immediate execution while protecting you from sudden price spikes. If you chose limit, enter your limit price in the field that appears. Set it slightly higher than the current trading price so your order goes through. Now, set the time and force. Choose day if you want the order to cancel at market close, or good till cancel if you want it to stay active until filled. For stock purchases, good till cancel is the common choice. Review the order summary at the bottom of the screen, double-check the total cost, confirm the exchange is HKEX, and verify the ticker is 1211.hk. Finally, tap the Submit or Transmit Order button at the bottom. You might see an order confirmation pop up. You can disable this in the future by checking the box that says don't display this message again. Once submitted, your order status will show as submitted, meaning it's been accepted and is working. You can check your portfolio section to confirm when the order fills. Keep in mind that currency fluctuations between USD and HKD can affect your returns, and you may need to convert currency for HKEX trades. That's the full process. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.